Hey, what's up? I'm Mercedes Owens, and today we're gonna do a 10-minute wrist weight upper body workout. I've got my girls with me, Poofy to my right, Madisyn to my left, and we're ready to get after it, so let's go. So today we're doing your smaller muscle groups with your wrist weights. We're gonna focus on your biceps, your shoulders, and the back of your arm, the triceps. Now we're using 1 pound wrist weights today, but you can go up in weight or feel free to go body weight as we move through this. We're gonna start you off with your biceps. We'll be curling up for 3 counts, down for 3 counts, nice slow movement. So plant your feet, give me a soft bend in your knees, roll those shoulders back, and let's curl it up for 3 slow counts. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Up for 3, for 2, for 1, down for 3, for 2, 1. So you want to take these counts super slowly, bringing it up, and then all the way back down. We're looking for full flexion and full extension. You should feel your bicep contract fully at the top, and then you lower down. Feel it lengthen back out. That's the feeling we really, really want, yeah? Up for 3, up for 2, up for 1. Now we're just gonna speed this up. 1 count up, 1 count down. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Take it up, lower down. I love these. I always think about my brother. He used to stand in front of the mirror and say, curls for the girls.
Hey.
And I'm like, no, Jason, it's not your biceps, baby. You need to take a shower. All the way up, all the way down, every time. 15 seconds right there. Curls to the girls, all right? Full flexion, full extension. Keep that tempo. Now we're gonna introduce your shoulders. You'll give me 1 curl, and you'll press up 1 arm, lowering back down. Another curl, press up the opposite arm. In 3, 2, 1. Give me a curl. Now give me a strong fist as you press up, lower down, and then full curl. Strong fist, press it all the way up. You want a nice strong movement as you press those hands up to the top, all the way up, lower it down. So when you get to the top of your press, really lengthen out right there. Try not to settle. We want to straighten your arm. We want to reach as high. We want to get as much out of this as possible. So you're curling, give me 1 press, and then take it down. Now our shoulders are warm, so we're gonna go both arms at the same time, nice and slow. In 3, 2, 1. Strong fist, up for 3, up for 2, up for 1. Now lower down, 3, 2, 1. We gotta make sure that when we're taking those trips, we're on PTO, we can get our luggage in the overhead bin right there.
Yes.
So really lift it up, right? I'm like, vacation will get you motivated, that's for sure. Hands all the way up, lower it down. Good, take it up nice and slow. Now we're gonna hold your elbows right in front. In 3, 2, 1, fists are still strong, you're holding it right in front. Just a 15-second hold, and then we're going back to that slow tempo press. It's gonna burn so good. This is not the day that you're blowing out your hair, okay? This is a dry shampoo day. Your shoulders are gonna feel it. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, take it up nice and slow. Now, if you're starting to feel it in your lower back, you can take 1 foot in front of the other, a nice little split stance, wherever you feel comfortable, but we definitely don't wanna lock out your legs. No, no, you want some bend in those knees, taking it up, lower it down. Good, you got 1 more hold in 10 seconds, elbows out in front. You're just gonna hold right there. If you want the pulse, you're gonna take the pulse, but I'm sticking with a hold today. In 3, 2, 1, right there, elbows out in front. You're holding, holding, holding. I promise you a shakeout in 10 seconds. There it is, we got 8. Poofy, how we doing?
Ooh,
yep,
spicy.
make some noise. We got some 5 seconds, we got 4, we got 3, 2, there's your 1, hands down, shake it out. Okay. Cute, we love it, we love it. Now we're gonna get the back of your arms, that tricep work. It's nobody's favorite, but it's good for you, so we're gonna do it. Again, well-balanced workout is what we want. Turning to the side, give it a soft bend in the knees. We're gonna lower your chest. It's all slow and controlled here, elbows up. Now, kick it back, 3, 2, 1. Keeping your palms nice and flat like you're pushing through water. Kick it back, 3, 2, 1, good, pull it in, control, 3, 2, 1, right there. Now you don't have to bend all the way over, but you definitely don't want your chest too far up, because then we're not getting the intended, like, targeted muscle group, right? But when you lower your chest, you keep your elbows lifted, you're really gonna be able to work through that tricep and target it super well. Now we're gonna speed this up in about 5 seconds, 1 count back, 1 count in. This is that burnout part that we've been talking about when we say it's an upper body burnout. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Kick it back. Give me 30 seconds right there. Back, then in. You're still pushing through the water. Your palms are flat. You got some separation between those fingers. Keep on pushing. Right there. If this is a long time to be bent over, so when you need to lift the chest and shake it out, you do. But then I want you back to work. We want that 30 seconds. Come on. Kicking it back, pulling it in. Now, we make it extra hot and spicy. You're gonna take this back and hold it there in 3, 2, 1, hold it there. Straighten out those arms. You should feel those rear delts working. Triceps are working. You're holding those wrist weights up. If your body weight, you feel it too, you know you do. You're holding right here. All right, y'all, we're gonna draw some circles, keeping those arms nice and straight. In 3, 2, 1, circle it out. Ooh, right there. They don't have to be big. They don't have to be big, but you gotta move. Come on, keep circling, keep circling. You get another shakeout in 5, 4, 3, 2, that's your 1, hands down. Okay.
Hey.
A little Harlem shake, you know, whatever feels right. All right, roll those shoulders back. We're gonna get you into an AMRAP. I love an AMRAP. This is a 45-second all-out effort. You're gonna give me 2 kickbacks right there. You'll lift your chest, 2 bicep curls, and then 2 strong shoulder press. You're gonna try to do that as many times as possible. We're on in 3. Here we go. 2, that's 1. Drop your chest, kick it back. There's 1, there's 2. Lift your chest, get into that curl as soon as possible. Now strong punches to the top for that shoulder press. Go again, drop that chest, elbows up. You're getting a nice little row with these kickbacks as well. A little bit of everything through that upper body. Good, so it's 2 kickbacks, 2 curls, 2 presses, and you've got 15 seconds to keep on pushing through. How many more times can you get through it? How many more times can you get through it? There's your 8, don't stop now. There's your 6 right here. You got 4, you got 3, 2, 1. There we go. Shake it out. Okay. I mean, I think we're feeling it now, right?
Definitely.
Right, shake out those legs. You wanna kind of stay loose right there. I love a little shuffle, a little dance party. And now we're gonna plant our feet, soft bend to the knees. Let's go right back into your shoulders. We're gonna open, close, like a windshield wiper. Open right, open left, and then we're gonna open both arms at the same time right there. Okay, that feels kind of a dance party, you know?
Yeah.
You switch the arm that leads you. So we'll start right, we'll go left, we'll go both arms. You're keeping those fists, nice strong portions right there. Now left, and then right. Now both arms at the same time, opening up, closing it back in. Now things are gonna escalate, that's for sure. We got both arms at the same time, keeping those strong shoulders, open, close, open, close. Now both arms open, perfect. You got both arms at the same time. In 5, we got 4, we got 3, 2, 1, let's go. Both arms right there, open, close. Now, you're not just working shoulders here. Your core is engaged. You're also getting some bonus points working that core. That's why you have a soft bend in the knees. That activates through your quads, through your hip flexors, into your abs. Lets your abs do some of the work for you there. Keep that bend for me. Keep that bend for me. I know it's burning, but that just means it's working. Come on, open up, close it in. Now we're gonna close this in. You'll straighten out those hands, prayer pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, straighten out those hands. You can lower them down a little bit. And now we're gonna lift them back up right there. Lower, lift. Now push into your hands. Like give yourself a high five, yeah? Give yourself a high five. You're pushing. You want that tension. It changes things, right? Now, keep pushing, keep pushing. We're gonna pulse this out in 3. You got 2, you got 1. Just pulse it, pulse it, pulse it. Pulse it. Good for 8, for 7, for 6, let it burn right there. For 4, for 3, for 2, last 1, quick shakeout.
Wow.
Now we take this back to biceps because curls for the girls, okay?
I got it.
This side, you're gonna keep your palms in. We'll go nice and narrow like a hammer curl, curling it up, lower it down. Use this as your active recovery. We're breathing, we're still moving. You can always roll your shoulders back if you need to, taking it up. What did we say earlier? Full flexion, full extension. Yep, that's right. Look, you're learning fast. You're learning. Poofy's my girl, Madisyn's my girl. They got it. They're reading my mind at this point, taking it up. Lower it down right there. Feel the bicep contract, then lengthen out. You got that soft bend in your knees. Now we're gonna take this out wide, elbows in, hands out in 3, 2, 1. Elbows in, hands out right there. Try to squeeze those elbows in. You're even pulling your shoulder blades together a little bit. You feel that? Working through the back of your shoulders. We love a rear delt moment right there. Bring it up, lower down. Now we're gonna put the 2 together. We're gonna do one of each, okay? And then two of each, okay?
Let's go.
And then three of each. And then four of each. It's a ladder. Let's do this in three. You got two. You got one narrow curl. You got one wide curl right there. Elbows stay glued in to your side as you add on a rep every time you go. Y'all, you are so close to the finish line. We are going to finish off with these biceps right here. Keep adding on your reps. You're at three of each. You're at four of each, five of each. You really want to push it here. Get uncomfortable because that's where we need to be to get stronger, right? Don't stay in your comfy, cozy zone. Get uncomfortable right here. And we're ready to go for circles to burn it out. You're going to take it out, up, in, and down. In 3, 2, 1, this is it. Out, up, in, down. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Those elbows are glued to your side. You're active through the movement. You're not just going through the motions. You're getting that burn in. 15 seconds right here, y'all. There we go. Come on. 10 seconds. Let's do it. Let's do it. You got 9. You got 8. You got 7. You got 6. You got 5. In 4, 3, 2, that's your 1. Curls for the girls. Y'all, good job. That's your 10-minute upper body wrist weights workout. We got after it. Shout out to my girls, Poofy and Madisyn. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Mercedes Owens, and I'll see you on the next Class Fit Sugar.